Hello students, today in this class we learn about tuple function. So we already discussed our tuple data type, what is tuple data type, how can we access these elements of tuple. Now today in this class we learn about Python tuple function. So Python provides following tuple function. So my first function is len. This function returns the number of elements in the tuple. So how many elements in a tuple? It is tell len function. So a equal to 5, 6, 8, 12, 9. So we have print len a. So now I have 5 element in tuple. So in this way we can get how many elements in tuple. So we will do in Python this. So we will execute this program in Python. So if I have a equal to, so as you know tuple is written in the small brackets. So I write any element. So now if I print len a, so I save this program and now run this program. So the number of element is 5. So in this way we can get how many elements in a tuple through len function. Then our next function is max. So this function is used to find maximum value from given tuple. So we want to know what is the maximum value in a tuple. That time we will use this function max. So we can use this, like I write here max a. So save the program and run the program. So you can see maximum number is 9. So already in this list you can see this maximum number is 9. In same way we can find minimum number. So I use this minimum number and save this and run. So you can see here my minimum number is 3 in the given tuple. Basic difference of list and tuple is that we can change element in the list, but in tuple is only read only element, so we cannot change any element of the tuple. So my next function is tuple. So this method is used to convert a list into tuple. So if the particular list is given, like this list is given and list is given in a large square brackets. So if t equal to tuple a, then my all element of the list a will convert into tuple. Then my output will come in small brackets and this list will become, this tuple will become read only. So we cannot change element of this. So we will execute this program. So if I have this list like, and I write here t equal to tuple a. So I print here print t. Now I save this and run this program. So you can see my list into convert into tuple and answer in coming in square small brackets. My next function is count. So this method is used to count number of objects. So like I have this particular tuple and I am writing print a dot count 2. So 2 is coming how many times? So 2 is coming 3 times. So my output will be 3. So we will use this in Python. Like I change something here, instead of 8 I write here 5. Then okay. Now I uses this print a dot count and what 5. So number of 5 in now my output will be 2 because 5 is coming 2 times. So I run this program 2. So 5 is coming 2 times. If I write here a dot count 10, so 10 is not coming in the tuple, so my output will be 0 because 10 is not coming in the tuple. So as you can see, my output is 0. Now my next function is index. So if I want to know the index value of any tuple element, so this function used to find index value from any element of tuple, and index number starts from 0. So if I have C++, Java and Python, now I want to know what is the index number of Java. So index number starts from 0 and 1. If element is not there, then it will produce an error. So we can use this in Python. So if I want to know index number of like 7, so 7 index number is 2. So my output will become 2. So my index number is 2 of 7. If I write here 70, then 70 is not in the tuple. So this program will produce an error that particular element is not found. So that X is not found, the error is coming. So today in this class we learn about tuple function, len, max, min, tuple, count and index. These are all tuple functions we discussed today.